Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maz Naturals, and today's video I'm going to show you how I use my hot oil. How I use my aloe vera oil to do a hot oil treatment. Now, if you click on the card above, or I'll put it in the description box, you will see how I made this fantastic aloe vera gel for healthy hair growth. And today I'm going to use it as an hot oil treatment. I've been on my working out schedule now, back on the working out, because obviously we need to move our bodies for good health, etc. And for good skin, you need to work out. If you want good skin, you need to work out, because the sweat pushes out all that bad toxins from your body. Sweat it out through your skin. So because of that, my hair gets a little bit dry because of the salt. You know, when you sweat, you get a bit of salt on your scalp. So to combat that, I give myself regular hot oil treatments. So I didn't do one the last 2 weeks, but this is the second 2 weeks. I decided. So what I do every other week, I do a hot oil treatment. I don't do it like every week, but I wash my hair every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, I'll do a hot oil treatment. But sometimes I might miss the 2 weeks. I might not do it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my hot oil treatment after I wash my hair. I'll show you how I apply it, because you've seen me wash my hair plenty of times, but I will probably insert a little video of me washing my hair, and then I'm going to apply this oil, and then you will see the difference. So take a good look now. See how dull it looks, because when my hair is dirty, it looks dull. In my eyes, it looks dull. So I'm going to show you everything, how it looks at the moment. So once we do this hot oil treatment, it should look very alive and luscious. If you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all the oldies who are stuck by me from the beginning. Thank you for sticking by my channel and supporting me. Thank you for those who are always commenting on my videos. Appreciate it, because it all helps. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I gave my hair a thorough shampoo, as you can see on the right. That's an old video actually that I inserted just to show you how I shampoo my hair. And you can see how moisturize my hair feels without even putting anything in it. So I use that bowl to warm up the oil, and then I put it into the plastic container, and then I apply the aloe vera oil gently to my hairline. I always do the hairline first, and then I will work it through into the actual hair. Put it on the roots, so drip the oil onto the roots. Now guys, it may seem like I'm putting a lot of oil onto my locks, but trust me, it's needed, because my hair drinks oil like it's just so thirsty. And I make sure I apply it to the ends. Pay particular attention to the ends. Now you can see the hairline looks really thick, and I feel like that is because I've been using the rosemary spray. Since I've been using the rosemary spray along with the aloe vera oil, it's really sort of thickened and nourished my hair. You can see here the elasticity of my hair. When I'm stretching it, it just feels so soft and nice and shiny. So when I'm not retwisting, guys, I just really wrap the hair around. So what I'm doing, I'm looking for my sort of starter locks, and I'm going to wrap the hairs around it. As you can see there. Just wrapping the hair around that starter lock because I don't want it to get wild. I want it to keep together. So I'm just massaging the oil so it's gone, so it goes everywhere. No part of my locks is missing any oil. And because I've just washed it, that water will just lock in that oil into my hair. So it will keep it moisturized and nourished. The oil's getting everywhere. It's on my face. It's dripping down my back. Just showing you the ends, how, you know, to make sure that every part of it gets covered. So I'm just basically massaging it into my hair now before I wrap it up with the cling film. So I start from the back and I just basically start wrapping it up as tight as possible to keep the heat in. Made a bit of a mistake here, that the cling film got twisted up. So I sort that out and just continue wrapping until I feel like it's firm enough. And I compress it. Then I warmed up this in the microwave, that hot head, and I'll put that on to keep the heat in and give my hair a good treatment. So I'll leave that on for about 20 minutes, half an hour. Actually, to be fair, I think I left it on for about an hour. It's not necessary to leave it in that long, but I was doing something, so that's why. But when I took it off, it felt so soft, guys. I'm telling you, you need to try this. You need to try this oil. It felt so soft and nourished, and it smelled divine. Absolutely divine, because I put a bit of peppermint in the aloe vera oil as well for added punch, because obviously peppermint, aloe vera all stimulates hair growth. I just can't stop playing with putting my fingers through because it just feels so soft. That's what I'm showing you there, like how nourished it is. Now I decided to do some curls. I just thought, let me just do something different this time. Instead of just washing it and leaving it, I just wanted to have some curls. So I did these lock knots. Now I don't really like to do lock knots, or China bumps as I normally call them, because it just irritates my head. I just can't take anything too tight on my scalp these days. I think my scalp is quite sensitive, but I did do it. I completed the lock knots, and then I decided to take them out the next morning. So guys, I decided to take out the lock knots, and I've got these bouncy curls which are dropped now, but the aloe vera oil is absolutely marvelous. The moisture is so amazing in my hair. So I would definitely advise you to try it for yourself. Give you a close-up. Moisturized hair, moisturized roots. So that's it, guys. That's the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe And don't forget to, oh, my curls are going all over the place. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be alerted of my up and coming videos. So as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah.